Hey, what's up, MJ? This is Devin again. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers. I know you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you, and it's really simple. I just found out a little while ago there's a lot of plumbers out there who just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And so I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, there's still a lot of plumbers out there who end up, raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just do this stuff for me. At the end of this all, if you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and I can do some good for your business, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that's okay too. It's free education. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. First off, looking at your website, it's a beautiful website. You have a very unique logo. You've got some nice photos here. You've got social proof going on, photos everywhere. Like a web design point of view, coupons. A web design point of view, it's a beautiful website. Google doesn't rank you based off of the beauty of your website, though. They take your website and they break it into a text file, and they run their robots called crawlers through that text file to look for keywords, which are just phrases that people search into Google to find your business. So I'm going to be using Plumber Irvine CA. About 200 people search for that a month, so obviously you want to rank for that. And the people who are number one ranking for that is Pristine Plumbing. So that's who I'm going to be comparing you to and showing you how to beat them. So first off, when somebody types in Plumber Irvine CA, Google's goal is to put them in front of the website that's going to answer all their questions, which is typically the one that has the most content. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,890 words, so that's where you want to sit. You currently have 1,079. So you're about halfway there. I would recommend getting yourself to 2,000, but by getting yourself to 2,000, it also allows you to fit in more keywords. And the keywords you want to rank for are the ones that have to do with high volume. So you can see, like, if I scroll down, you've got Plumber San Clemente has like 350 people searching for that. Plumber Costa Mesa has 300 people searching for that. Plumber Fulton, 250 people search for that. Plumber Santa Ana, 250 people search for that. You can see this stuff's really, really easy to rank for. And so you can get a lot of business doing that. Newport Beach, 250 people search for that. And if you imagine being number one for all these, how much business you get for free, right? Also, you can save your images as keywords too. So like instead of Angie's 2017, you can save that as like Plumber San Clemente and rank for it. So that's tip one. Tip two is backlinks. When somebody Google's goal is to make sure you're trustworthy, and how they do that is they look at how many other websites are linking to you, driving traffic to you. But they want to see relevant links, so you get a lot more power from other plumbing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check it out is called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So it might be something you want to invest in down the road. Since you guys have been doing a lot, like you guys have been around for a long time. You have 96 websites linking to you. Pristine Plumbing has 130 websites linking to them, which is a total of about 34 more than you. I wouldn't say just get 34 and match them. I'd say go get like 50 or 60 and blow them out of the water. And I would just copy them. You just go see the links that they have and go get these links for yourself. You go to these different websites and you click either like About Us, Contact Us, or Create an Account, and you get the same links. And the best ones to get are the relevant ones. So like Newport Beach, let's see, City of Irvine, find plumbing experts, Irvine Chamber, local plumbers, stuff like that has to do with what you're offering. And you can start taking their traffic. They got 250 people a month looking for them, and people don't look at plumbing for fun. They look it up when they need help. So that's a lot of free business, compared to that. The last thing is when somebody does type in Plumber Irvine CA and they're ready to buy, they're gonna call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to be that plumber. Those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time, so you want to rank yourself in the Google My Business section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories Pristine Plumbing's in. Go put yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. So if they're in 150, put yourself in 250. That's all I've got for you, MJ. I hope you found this informative. As a quick recap, get yourself to about 2,000 words on this front page, stuff it with keywords, put yourself in about a total of 150 websites so you can take this traffic, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. If you guys want to do this yourself, please do. It's free education. Just send me back one sentence. Let me know what we thought about the video. If you want any help or you want me to write you a free attack plan, just give me a call. My phone number is 805-618-6426. It's also at the bottom of the email I sent you. I appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day.